Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, property enthusiasts. Today I have got a warehouse that is on the market and for sale. It's right here in the middle of the city, Woodstock. There's a woodwork place here across the road, and you're seeing it all from Werner Property Agents. There's my website, hotpropertyinCapetown.com, where you can find all the details. We are under Table Mountain here, and I'm gonna quickly walk you through what is on offer here. Here is a ramp. There's parking possibilities in the front of the building here, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. You have just open plan, big spaces here. You have a ramp that I showed you just now. Where you come in here, you've got humongous electricity boxes. The space is presently being used by a church, where you can see they are doing their own thing here. Just one big open space. Here is a enclosed office. You can look through the window here. And behind here you can see are the restrooms, some more electricity boards here, and this is a gents' bathroom. They don't seem to have a light, and there are ladies' bathroom and more hand basins. There's some light on the subject. There you have it. I'm Werner, I'm the estate agent. You can contact me on +270, that number +2782 458 3184 if you want to make an arrangement to view this property. A huge warehouse right in the middle of Cape Town in Woodstock. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.